Hello guys, today I'm going to show you the top 5 AI tools you need right now, the free versions. Do you sometimes have information overload in your mind and can't seem to put it all together? Well, this first AI tool can help you summarize the information and streamline your content workflow. And that AI tool is Google's NotebookLM. So let's get right into it. Okay guys, if you're unfamiliar with NotebookLM, it's basically an AI tool that can help you summarize, analyze, and create content from your sources. And I'm going to focus on helping faceless YouTube content creators specifically in this tutorial. First thing you're going to do is sign up for free, or sign in and click Create New. Here you have the option to import Google Docs, Google Slides, website links, YouTube links, or copy and paste text. In this AI tutorial, I'm going to use a YouTube link as my first source. As you can see, NotebookLM imported the data from the YouTube link and created a summary of its content. In this usage case, the source is vidIQ, and I want to gather information from a few sources to assist me with creating my own YouTube video about vidIQ. Now, when you click on the source link, you can see a source guide, which consists of a summary, key topics, the video itself, and a transcript. Now let's go over to the right side and create a couple of notes. You can create a study guide, FAQ, briefing doc, or timeline note. As you can see for the study guide note, a quiz was created. It has 10 questions about vidIQ along with the answers, and the information was pulled from the YouTube source link. This can help you process the information about your content faster. Now let's create a FAQ note, and while that's generating, I want to thank you for watching this AI tools tutorial. Okay, now that it's done, you can see it gave a list of frequently asked questions about vidIQ, which is also helpful information. Okay guys, now I'll add a couple more sources, so I'll click the Add button, copy and paste in another YouTube link. And the same content creator's topic this time is YouTube releases a report on how to grow a YouTube channel in 2025. Okay, now I'm going to add one more source, and this time I will import information from a website blog. Guys, you can import up to 50 sources, but to keep it simple and for time purposes, I only added 3. Okay. I'll briefly view the source's website by clicking on its link. It's good to verify your sources, and when NotebookLM creates information, you should always check it, because it is AI. And like I said, use these AI tools as an assistant, not a replacement of yourself. Okay guys, you can see there's a chat section if you want to ask the AI to create summaries or generate ideas as it pertains to your imported sources. But right now, let's create a mind map. In the mind map feature, not only do you get a diagram which can be downloaded as an image file, you can click on any one of the topics shown in the mind map, and the AI will create a summary of it. While the AI generates text, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, it's finished. And you can see it created a summary for the subscriber acquisition that was listed in the mind map. Last but not least, one of the most powerful features is the audio podcast and how it can help you create content. You can click Customize and ask AI to focus on a specific source, topic, or audience for the podcast. But for now, I'm going to hit Generate to let it create on its own. And what NotebookLM will do is gather information from all your sources and create its own unique summarized audio podcast with AI-generated voiceovers. Okay, guys, it finished rendering. So let's take a listen to the audio.
So you're here because you want to grow your YouTube channel, right? Cut through all that noise online and just get some, actual strategies that work.
Yeah, actionable stuff.
Okay, everyone, now let's download the audio podcast and take it over to our next AI tool. Hey, everyone. Thanks for watching this far, and I hope it brings you value. Be sure to hit the like button, the notification bell, and subscribe to my channel. And I'd really appreciate your feedback in the comment section so it can give me more insight on providing you with valuable content. Okay, guys, we are here in Google AI Studio using Gemini 2.5 Pro, and we are going to drag and drop the podcast audio file we created into the chat. Once it's loaded, type, "Please extract the full transcript," and then click Run again. To save time, I've sped up the rendering part of the video. Now that the transcript is extracted, we're going to type in a new prompt asking Gemini AI to convert this two-person podcast into a single first-person host talking to an audience. Keep an engaging conversational tone of my expertise with my listeners. Then click Run. To save time, I've sped up the rendering part of the video. Okay, guys, we have a full transcript, but now it's a single host. As you can see, the audio time is just under 7 minutes long, whereas the two-person podcast was 17 minutes long. The content have been repurposed and has kept the same contextual value of the original sources. Now, let's listen to some of the audio.
Okay, let's dive deep into growing your YouTube channel. You're here because you want real strategies, right? Stuff that actually works, cutting through all the noise online to get you more subscribers and more views without feeling completely overwhelmed.
Okay, don't forget to download your audio file, and I would copy and paste the transcript to a text document for safekeeping. And now, we'll head over to our next top 5 AI tool you need right now, free version. Hey guys, please take a moment to leave a comment. I'm very appreciative of your time and looking forward to building this AI community with you. Okay guys, we're here in ChatGPT, and I'm going to create a 3D Pixar character using a text-to-image prompt. The character will be based around the single-person host for the podcast discussing how to grow on YouTube and using vidIQ. I also asked ChatGPT to make the AI image 16:9 ratio. ChatGPT is a really good free AI image generator. It did a really good job based off the prompt I inputted. Now I'll download this AI image and move on to the 4th free AI tool. Okay guys, we're here at Minimax IO, an AI text-to-speech generator that has a free version. If you click on subscribe, you'll see the free and paid plans. The free version offers 10,000 credits and up to 2.5 hours each month of audio. It also offers speech with emotions, language, and up to 3 clone voices. I must admit, Minimax IO does have some lifelike sounding AI voices.
Remember, life will test you, but it will never break you if you hold on to what you know to be true.
Each moment unfolds like a vivid painting, where even the subtlest hues speak of untold adventures.
Minimax also have a voice isolation feature for noise reduction and a tab for their text-to-speech page. Now let's go back to the Home tab to see more features. There's 3 AI triggers, which is tell a story, create a commercial, and build an AI tutor. You can also select different voice models, and next to that, you can access the AI voices.
Every syllable carries a promise, drawing you into a realm where dreams and reality intertwine.
Once you're satisfied with an AI voice, click Use. Now I'm going to paste in a few lines from the podcast transcript to hear it with Minimax. One thing to mention when clicking Generate from the home page, it will take you to the text-to-speech page, where you'll have to click the Generate button again to render.
Okay, let's dive into growing your YouTube channel. You're here because you want real strategies, right? Stuff that actually works, cutting through all the noise online to get you more subscribers and more views without feeling completely overwhelmed.
Okay, that sounds pretty good, so I'll download it and use it for my 3D Pixar character. Okay guys, I'll briefly go over some additional features that are typically for paid users on other platforms. So you have voice modifier, emotion, speed, pitch, and volume. Under voice modifier, there's tone, strength, nasal, echo, lo-fi, and robotic capabilities. Under the emotions menu, there's happy, sad, angry, fearful, disgusted, surprised, and neutral. Okay guys, I hope this video have brought you some value, and if it has, sit back and relax for just a few more minutes. Okay everyone, our fifth top 5 AI tool you need right now is Kling AI, one of the most popular AI image-to-video generators online. And if you're new to Kling AI, you get 166 free credits per day. There are different versions, but keep in mind the most recent version will cost you more credits. Guys, I'm going to jump right into it and drop in the 3D Pixar AI character I created so you can see the animation capabilities of Kling AI. In my last video, I used Ai AI, so check out that video if you haven't seen it yet. Now that the AI image is ready, I'll paste in the prompt which says, "A man talking and making gentle hand gestures while sitting at his desk." The settings are standard. Time amount is 10 seconds. And for the negative prompt, I'll type in, "Avoid disfigured hands." Then I'll hit the Generate button to render the AI image to video. Okay guys, I did speed up the rendering process to save time. I like the quality of the video that Kling AI created, and there are no hand glitches as requested. So now I'm going to download this video and prepare to sync it with the audio. In this video, I won't be going over every Kling AI feature because I have another video coming up comparing it to a couple of competitors, so stay tuned. Now let's quickly hop over to CapCut to see the podcast character talk.
Okay, let's dive into growing your YouTube channel. You're here because you want real strategies, right? Stuff that actually works, cutting through all the noise online to get you more subscribers and more views without feeling completely overwhelmed.
Okay guys, there you have it. The top 5 AI tools you need right now, free versions. And if you were feeling like you couldn't put your thoughts into action and this video helped you change that, that's a win for us. Okay guys, I hope these free AI tools help you with your content creation workflow. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell to be alerted for newly released videos. Thanks.